We've made it easier than ever to manage admin roles within Rapid Contractor Management. In today's session, we're going to learn how to use the Administrator Roles features, from adding a new role, editing an existing role, to deactivating a role, and allocating a role to an administrator. To start, let's look at the key features within the Admin Home dashboard. I'm going to explain what the different icons relate to. If you can firstly navigate to your Settings tab, Admin or Site, you will see here the new Admin Home and Site Admin feature. On this page is where we manage our administrators and their access. On the left-hand side, we can search by the admin name, select the location and the active status. On the right-hand side, you will see two icons, Admin Home and Role. How to add a new role? Firstly, let's see how easy it is to add a new role. Simply navigate to the role icon on the right-hand side. Now, if we select Add New Role and then type in the role name, this will then allow us to set the permissions required for this verification role. Don't forget to click Save. Now we can see that we have a role for verifications available for use. Let's say we need to edit an existing role. Can you see on the right-hand side where we have some icons? There's Edit Permissions, Edit Role, Add Administrators, Delete Role, and Log. Clicking on Edit Permissions will allow you to modify the permissions that were already set for this particular role. How to deactivate a role? If you look at the icons on the right-hand side, you can choose Edit Role. That's how easy it is to simply change the active role to deactivated. Finally, how to allocate a role to an administrator. There are actually two ways to do this. Firstly, you can simply navigate back to the Admin Home icon, add a new administrator into the system, and click Save. This will now generate our administrator. To add a role for this administrator, if we select Edit Roles, it will now allow us to select the role we would like to apply to this person. The other way we can allocate a role to an administrator is via our roles. On the right-hand side, you can select the Add Administrator icon and see the list of admins available. To allocate an administrator to one of these roles, we will use Role 1 for this example. Then navigate to the right-hand side, we have an Add Administrator icon. This will bring up all the administrators in the system, which you can then select to allocate to this particular role. It now shows us that Sample Admin is now allocated to Role 1. I'd like to highlight some features of the default roles. You might have already noticed on the Roles page there are some default roles available for you to use: Rapid Manager, Rapid Superuser, and View Access Only. View Access, for example, has been set with View Only View Access Permissions. Simply modify by using the Edit Permissions icon. The name can also be modified by selecting the Edit Role icon. For example, you may want to edit the name for Rapid Superuser or Rapid Manager to Manager and Site Manager. In today's video, we have looked at managing admin roles. We have learned how to add a new role, how to edit an existing role, how to deactivate a role, and how to allocate a role to an administrator. We did promise it was simple, and now you can see how quickly and effortlessly you can manage admin roles. Rapid Global will transform and streamline your contractor management process. Click to subscribe to our channel and visit Rapid Support Centre for more helpful tutorials and guides.